Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open a Hyundai Sonata door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a plastic trim removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery before starting any electrical work. Begin by carefully removing any visible screws, typically one or two, located around the door handle or armrest area. This initial step is crucial for a smooth process. Next, you'll need to locate and remove the hidden fasteners. Many door panels have decorative trim pieces that conceal additional screws. Gently use your plastic trim removal tool to pry these pieces off, being careful not to damage them. You will often find one or two more screws hidden behind the door handle bezel and sometimes beneath the window switch panel. Removing these fasteners is key to detaching the main panel. With all screws removed, it's time to detach the main door panel. Start by gently prying the bottom and sides of the panel away from the door frame using your trim tool. You will hear clips disengaging. Once loose, carefully pull the panel out slightly to access the wiring. Disconnect all electrical connectors for the window switch, door light, and any other components. Finally, unclip the two-door handle and lock cables from their respective mechanisms. After disconnecting all wires and cables, lift the entire door panel straight upwards to clear the window channel and fully remove it. Take a moment to inspect all the plastic clips on the back of the panel. Replace any that are broken or missing to ensure a secure fit upon reassembly. To put everything back together, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all connections are secure and screws are tightened appropriately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.